Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the expression x squared plus 6x plus 4, and we're asked which of the following is equivalent to the expression above. So there's two ways to do this. The first way is probably going to take longer, unless you get lucky on the first try, and that is to distribute out x plus 3 squared, x plus 3 squared, x minus 3 squared, and x minus 3 squared, and then add 5 to that, and then see out of these four options, or subtract 5 for b and d, out of which of these options, when these are fully factored out and simplified, which one of them is equivalent to the given expression. However, if you don't find your answer until you get all the way down to d, it's probably going to take longer than what we're about to do, which is complete the square. So we're going to take x squared plus 6x plus some number. We don't know what it is yet, but we're going to find it, and then plus 4, and then minus that same number. So this x squared plus 6x plus the number is going to turn into either x plus 3 squared or x minus 3 squared. And then we've added this number in, so to keep the expression equivalent, we have to subtract it again. This is like if you multiply one side of an equation by 2, you have to multiply the other side by 2 to keep things equal. So how do we find this mystery number? Well, when we have just a singular x squared, right? There's no coefficient, it's not 2x squared or anything like that. It's just normal old x squared. The way you can find the term is by taking this middle number, right? This 6x, and you say, okay, we take 6, we divide it by 2, and then we square that number. 6 divided by 2 is 3, still squared, which is equal to 9. So this is x squared plus 6x plus 9, and then again, we have to subtract 9 to keep everything equal. So, is x squared plus 6x plus 9 equal to x plus 3 squared or x minus 3 squared? Well, x minus 3 squared, if we're picturing x minus 3 times x minus 3, the inner term and the outer term, right, these minus 3x's are going to come out to have a negative x term, right? And in this case, we have a positive x term. So as a rule, if the x squared term, the x term, and the constant all have positive coefficients, right? So we have 1x squared plus positive 6x plus positive 9. That means in our squared binomial, x, and we know that 3, because we know it's either plus 3 or minus 3, if everything is positive here, x plus 3 has to be positive. So we have 1x, which is a positive number, plus 3, keeping everything positive. And then just simplifying the end, plus 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So our final answer is x plus 3 squared minus 5, which means B is going to be your final answer. Again, if you don't want to do this, then you can just distribute out all of these. I can just do that right now with B. X plus 3 squared minus 5 is equal to x plus 3 times itself, so that means to be squared. And then distributing, we have x squared plus 3x plus another 3x plus 9 minus 5 equals x squared plus 3x is plus 6x plus 9 minus 5 is plus 4. X squared plus 6x plus 4 lines up, and you still get the same answer of B. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.